Caitlin King po. So, thank you po for the question. So, yung question niyo po is, sorry po, can we recall the question lang po, if it's alright? Thank you po.
Yeah, una, bakit kailangan kang hangaan or i-follow ng mga fans? Second, who is your showbiz crush? And third, your showbiz idol?
So, sinabi niyo po na sa dami-dami ng artista, bakit kailangan na kami po yung hangaan. I believe po na there's space for everyone naman po. Pero I also believe that I am deserving of admiration because I think all of us naman here po, because here po in Starworks, we work hard and we train and we don't stop learning and we show you what we've got po talaga. And then, dun po sa second question, celebrity crush ko po siguro po si Joshua Garcia. And then, idol ko po is Sabrina Carpenter po talaga. Thank you po!
Hello everyone, my name is Celine David. For the first question po, gusto ko pong malaman ng tao ang storya ko po, and I want to inspire a lot of people because I did not come from a privileged family, but I'm proud to tell everyone na I'm doing my passion. At the same time, I'm helping my family and myself because I'm making myself happy. And gusto ko pong malaman niyo yung story ko, yung story ng buhay ko po. And for the second question, celebrity crush ko po, ay si Donnie Pangilinan po. And ang aking idol ay si Bea Alonso. Thank you so much.
Hello po, I'm Selena Griffin. For the first question, I think that you guys, no, not I think, but I really believe that you guys should support us. Because I really believe that our batch, our Block 1, has so much to offer. And we all actually have unique talents and unique strengths, different beauties that we all bring to the table. And so I think that people should look out for that because we are really interesting, I would say. Since yun nga, iba-iba kami ng strengths, iba-iba kami ng skills. And also, I really believe that we've worked hard to be here. And just because we're here now doesn't mean we'll stop working hard, but it'll give us even more push to work hard pa. Kasi just because we're launched doesn't mean our hard work stops there. But I really believe that moving forward, mas gagalingan pa talaga namin at mas mapapatunayan pa po namin na magagaling po talaga kami and we are worthy of being a part of Starworks po. Ayun. For the second question naman po, my celebrity crush would probably be James Reid. Ayun. And for my idol, definitely Miss Dimples Romana, especially since we got to have a workshop with her. Because she knows herself so well, and since she got to share so much of her life and things that she learned, I was really inspired and it definitely gave me an even more reason to push myself but to do this even more. So yeah, I was definitely inspired and I would love to work with her one day. Ayun, thank you po.
Hello po, my name is Kisha Serna. Sa first question po, for me po kasi, we as Starworks artists po, we're trained po to be disciplined. And ang motto po talaga namin sa buhay is always be grateful. And we want to spread that po to everyone, that always be grateful in life. And ayan po. With my celebrity crush naman po, si Jacob Elordi. And sa idol ko naman po na artista is si Miss Bea Alonso and ayun si Miss Bea Alonso po.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm Amo. Sa first question po is, gusto ko po makita ng mga tao at malaman po nila kung sino talaga si Amo. Is makulit ba to? Mayabang ba to? Pero guys, pag finalo nyo ako, malaman nyo yung tunay na Amo. Matatawa kayo araw-araw. Pag stress kayo, mag-feed lang kayo sa akin, matatawa kayo sa mga ginagawa ko kasi makulit akong bata talaga. And sa second question naman po is, nagagandahan pong artista is si Julia Barreto po. And sa pinaka-idol ko naman po is si Jericho Rosales naman po. Thank you po.
The first question po is, ako naman po, ever since like mga 5 years old ako, lagi na po talaga akong nag-entertain ng mga tao kasi sabi daw po nila very funny daw po ako, pero I don't know. And kahit po nung grade 6 ako, I started performing sa iba't ibang school ng dance competition. Sa sing competition po, parang hindi pa po ako masyadong confidence. Pero sa dance po, super duper po. And sa celebrity crush po is si Stefano Mori. Yes po. Tapos sa idol ko po na artista is si Camille Prats po.
Taray,
Thank
ilang
you
taon-
po.
Wait lang, ilang taon ka na?
13 po.
13. So hindi mo, feeling ko hindi mo pa sila inabot. Tama ba?
Yes po, pero napanood ko po yung gimmick. Lahat po ng episode, napanood ko po.
Fornet. Okay.
Thank you po!
Thank you.
Yes, hello po. I'm Carmela Lorzano po. Sa first question po, since parang halos lahat nasabi na nila, gusto ko lang dagdagan na lahat po kami na nandito, iba't iba yung journey namin sa buhay. Like bago pa kami mag-meet, lahat kami iba't iba yung kwento ng buhay namin. Pero ngayon, nandito na kami. And ang gusto ko lang po is maging inspirasyon kami sa ibang tao, sa ibang mga gustong mangarap po na nandito din. So we want to be an inspiration to others po. And ano po yung second question? Celebrity crush po, Papa P. And then sa akin pong idol, Sarah Geronimo po. Kasi siya talaga yung gusto kong maging talaga.
Hello po, I'm Stephanie Razon po. I want to influence my viewers po on my own unique way po. I want to show them that I'm determined and willing to learn every single day po. And also for my celebrity crush, Enrique Hill po and James Reid. And sa idol ko naman po is Bea Alonzo and Julia Barreto.
Hello po, good afternoon. I'm Martina Jicain. And to answer your first question po, firstly po, when I look up to a person, I really admire it when they're very determined. And I think that's also something I want to impart with my followers na in life you can get anywhere with determination. And I think that's something that we all have. Yung, sorry for the lack of a better term, but yung pagiging sabik po in this craft. So, yun po. I think that's one of the reasons why our followers should keep in tune with the Starworks Block 1. And to answer the second question, my celebrity crush would be Enrique Hill po, kasi I grew up watching Liz Ken. And for the third question, my celebrity idol would be Miss Ann Curtis po. Yun. Thank you!
Okay, and that wraps up our Q&A. I hope yung ating mga Block 1 artists, hindi naman kayo na-intimidate. They answered very well.
Yes.
If you want to ask more questions, we will allow the Block 1 artists to do pocket interviews later. But before that, thank you very much, Block 1 artists. And we'd like to introduce, there's a music video.